For thousands of years, humanity has grown through its relationship with agriculture. Despite continual progress and evolution, the agriculture industry still faces many challenges today. We turn to technological innovation for the answers. For the questions we asked in the fields, we find answers in the sky. Agricultural drones are breaking boundaries, driving forward a revolution of how we grow food. By reconstructing spaces in 3D, we can operate in even the toughest terrain. By rising to the challenges of diseases and pests, we can safeguard the sources of stability. By scanning from above with specialized sensors, we can see clearly what is otherwise invisible. By spraying with precision and care, we can grow more with less. We hope to revitalize the industry, to create opportunity for upcoming generations, to improve life for farmers worldwide. We believe that hard work will always pay off. That is why fields, orchards, and hills become bountiful harvest. Tens of thousands of pilots, with each and every flight, are helping to conserve water, reduce emissions, and prevent agrochemical waste to help cultivate a green and sustainable future. At DJI Agriculture, we are dedicated to improving agricultural productivity while protecting our Mother Earth for better growth, better life.